Yeah, welcome to another location, feilds farm, abandoned farm, so I'll take you to that one. So down here, got your playing fields full there, got horses full there. Just walking down here to the old abandoned farm, a boat field that's been there for years. The only people come here for pigeon shooting, so I come down here to fly my drone. So you got like loads of space to fly it. All that. It's supposed to be up for sale. I saw the sign down at the bottom. They said for sale. So the sign all this land here. Acres of land. So comment below about this old abandoned farm if you know about and more information about it. Comment below. I just come further out different to this one as well. So there's all different to it from last time. So see, I could be here as well. This is a regular place I used to come to as well. This is a regular. So I thought I'd fly my drone just here. Like here, swans or geese. So yeah, that's where I fly it. Yeah, info about it. Must be put outside down, there must be a big farm here. You know, all down here. So yeah. Fucking hell's it coming? There, yep. That's right down there. So a bit. Yep, and you got all the way down there. Down there. Excuse me. This is part 2. I've just been up to the bridge. So steps. Playing kitchen pigeon box, you can see. Yeah, if you tell me what I'm there for. You got that there. So I've got a look there. Looks like I've got some things going to fill up across. Must go up here. I've been this part before. If you know what it is, tell me about it. Take a picture. Yeah, must be all around here, look. Yep, there you go folks, yeah, tell me about this farm. Comment below. So I've got to fly the drone, if I can, against the wind. So I've got a bit of a rail going off here, look. So it must be something I ain't going off here, so yeah. Comment below if you know about anything about the farm and Darren's location explore. Yeah, see you in a bit.